Hey, all you agricultural practitioners, can you imagine that drones are completely revolutionizing the face of agriculture? In fact, in the agricultural field, drones have become indispensable tools. Today, as an industry expert, I'll uncover the amazing applications of different types of drones in agriculture for you. In agriculture, drones bring numerous benefits. They can make agricultural production processes more efficient, improve the precision of operations, and provide valuable insights for decision making. However, different types of drones have very different functions. First, let's talk about single rotor and multi-rotor drones. These two types are the most commonly used in agriculture. Single rotor drones have a large main rotor and a small tail rotor for stability. This design makes them excellent at tasks that require long flight times or carrying heavy loads, such as crop spraying. Imagine having a large expanse of farmland that needs pesticide spraying. If done manually, it would take a huge amount of time and manpower. But a single rotor drone can complete the spraying task quickly and evenly. Multi-rotor drones excel at precise tasks. Drones with 4 rotors, the common quadcopters, 6 rotors, or even 8 rotors are great for mapping farm fields or conducting detailed inspections. These drones are relatively easy to maneuver and offer excellent stability for capturing high-quality aerial imagery. Through these images, we can monitor the health of plants, detect pest infestations, or check irrigation conditions. It's like having a God's eye to keep track of the farmland at all times. Next are fixed wing drones. They are like the long-distance travelers in agriculture. Different from rotor-based drones, fixed wing drones operate more like traditional airplanes, using wings for lift instead of rotors. This design allows them to stay in the air for a long time and fly long distances on a single battery charge. They are particularly suitable for surveying large areas of land, such as open fields or large estates. With them, we can collect comprehensive data in a short period of time. Coupled with advanced imaging technology, fixed wing drones can provide detailed aerial maps and support informed decision-making processes. There is also a type called hybrid drones. They combine the best features of both fixed wing and rotor-based designs and have vertical takeoff and landing VTOL capabilities. This means they can operate in tight spaces or uneven terrain where traditional fixed wing drones may face difficulties. Hybrid drones are both agile and have long endurance, making them perfect for tasks that require both precision and efficiency. Moreover, they can carry various payloads from high-resolution cameras to advanced sensors. However, due to their complex flight systems and handling, they often require more training. If you're struggling to choose the right drone, don't worry. We have a DJI thermal drone, which is an advanced quadcopter perfect for spraying, mapping, and precision agriculture. Whether you want to optimize crop health or improve overall operational efficiency, we have the right drone solution for you. Choosing the right drone is like adding wings to your agricultural production. Act now and let drones help your agricultural business reach new heights. Remember to subscribe to my channel for the latest news on agricultural technology.